Flip your robot over. Use a screwdriver to remove the edge sweeping brush. Loosen the 4 screws securing the bottom cover. Then remove the bottom cover. Press the bin release button and remove the bin. Twist the robot's filter a quarter turn, then remove. Lift off the 3 drip points. Press the 3 new drip points into the robot. Install the new filter. Click the bin back into place. Replace the bottom cover and tighten the 4 screws, making sure the bottom cover is flush with all sensors. Replace the edge sweeping brush and tighten the screw. And that's it.